So I'm Ashley Vaughan Pearson. I'm the owner of Gallery 1 in the South Arcade of T-Pawb, just off Chester Street. So I'm originally from Wrexham, born here, raised in Llai. Moved to Manchester in '97, lived there for 20 years. I live in Chester now, and Wrexham's got a special place in my heart. I grew up here. I know so much has changed, but I love what they've done here. I think it's great. I think T-Pawb's great. There's been some fabulous feedback from my customers that have come in. They like the concept, they like the way it's laid out, they like the food court. I think there's still a lot we can learn and a lot we can do, but that's retail and that's changing, and customer habits are changing as well. There's a lot that are discovering me, either through social media or they're just walking past. So that's been quite good, but it's the people that are walking past that's been quite interesting, because that's a new discovery for them. They didn't know I was here, and they're discovering T-Pawb for the first time as well. It's just dresses I sell here. Most are made in the UK, which is really important to me. I've kept all the dresses under £40, so they're really competitive. The brands that I stock you won't find in Chester and you won't find in Liverpool. You'll find them in Manchester. That's the closest stockist to these brands. I've also got Welsh candles, which are made in Swansea. I've got Tanya Bardo Luxury Home Fragrance, which she's one of the Real Housewives of Cheshire, if anybody knows and watches that programme. I've got jewellery, silver, 24 carat gold for May, and freshwater pearl, and steel jewellery and Swarovski element jewellery as well. The bath and body products. So Bear is made in Carnarvon. It's a really lovely little brand. All of the products the bath and body products I sell are vegan as well, apart from the lip balms, because they're made with beeswax. When there's events or festivals going on in Wrexham, that really does bring the people in, and it brings new people in as well. And the amount of people I've spoken to, and I always say, how did you find me? Was it social media? Was it just passing? Or did you find out from a friend? And they say, oh, I'm from Llandudno, so we've just come for the day. So people are coming to Wrexham from the outskirts. People are coming from Mould, a lot of people from Ruthin. So the catchment area is great. I've even had people from Stoke. So people are coming here for the festivals and for the things that we're doing, and there is a lot going on in Wrexham, and that's why I chose Wrexham. It wasn't just an emotional attachment. I decided, well, I did do a lot of research. Wrexham's a big town. The population's massive, and there's a lot going on here, and I can see how hard everybody's trying. And there's such a lot of talent in Wrexham with independence. There's so many people since I've opened, I've spoken to and made friends with, actually, that I've got such great experience and talent, and everybody's really helped me out. On Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And the Twitter has been especially good, because that's been a lot of local businesses and a lot of councillors and a lot of out-of-town councillors that have really been behind me, but also a lot of people from the Welsh Assembly and from Wales. So it's not just been exclusive to Wrexham, it's been the whole of Wales.